Hello, my name is Eileen, and this is step 3 of the Steps to Self project, meditation. There are many benefits of meditation. Meditation can lower your blood pressure and your heart rate, reduce stress, build your self-esteem, can be used as a grounding technique, improve your sleep and your memory. Today we're going to focus on 3 different types of meditation: mindful breathing, yoga, and melting. First, mindful breathing. It is best to do this on the floor, but can be done anywhere. Beginners should do this for 5 minutes. Increase to 10 to 20 minutes as you improve. Sit up. Start by sitting up straight and closing your eyes. Focus your breathing in and out slowly. A common breath interval are in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and out for 8 seconds. Some people become anxious holding their breath, so breathing in and out for 8 seconds each is a good substitute. This helps lower anxiety. It can be a challenge to stay focused as a beginner. Be aware of your mind as it wanders, and be sure to bring your focus back to your breath. Next, we'll talk about yoga. Yoga uses physical positions, breathing exercises, and spiritual contemplation. Its benefits include improving strength and flexibility, boosting heart and lung function, improving psychological well-being, and improving pain tolerance. Linked in this description will be a beginner meditation video. Lastly, we will talk about melting. This one may seem silly to those who have never tried it. This technique is great for helping you fall asleep when your mind is awake and wanting to think about other things. Imagine you are made of ice, you are lying in the hot sun and beginning to melt. Starting at your toes, imagine they are slowly melting away. Lie completely still and relax your muscles. Imagine it continuing to move up your legs. When you get to your chest, imagine it traveling down your arm, melting and relaxing your hands. Finally, it reaches your neck and head. This technique helps you relax your muscles and keeps your brain from wandering. Sources will be linked in the description. You can find Steps to Self on YouTube and Instagram.